Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 33 of 3 words and expressions of a handwritten day. As always, quick review first. 打印 print 网络 network 耳机 earphone 评论 comment 留言 leave a message 回答 answer 筷子 chopsticks 刀叉 knives and forks 勺子 spoon 关闭 close 入口 entrance 出口 exit. Today let's learn 欢迎咨询测试 in Chinese characters. 欢迎和乌安欢迎欢迎 means welcome. Welcome to China. 欢迎来中国。欢迎欢迎走之底欢迎 welcome 咨询 consult 咨询 consult 咨询次口寻言字旁咨询 consult. Next one 测试测试 means test. 测试测试测试欢迎欢迎欢迎 welcome 咨询咨询咨询 consult 测试测试测试 test. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.